You know that instant spark of excitement when rumors about a new camera begin circulating and everything about it feels like it could be a game changer. That exact energy is building rapidly around the Canon EOS R7 II, a camera that is increasingly being described as Canon's most ambitious APS-C mirrorless upgrade yet. And according to a growing number of leaks, insider whispers, and industry patterns, this next-generation model could redefine what photographers, hybrid shooters, wildlife enthusiasts, sports creators, vloggers, and serious content producers expect from a crop sensor camera in 2025. The original EOS R7 already carved out a strong reputation for speed, autofocus reliability, and portability, but the Mark II version appears to push far beyond incremental updates, positioning itself as a true high-performance mirrorless powerhouse. At the heart of the rumored upgrade is a brand-new stacked APS-C CMOS sensor estimated to fall somewhere between 33 megapixels and 40 megapixels, a significant leap in resolution that also promises dramatically faster sensor readout speeds, reduced rolling shutter, and improved dynamic range, making it ideal for fast-moving subjects, birds in flight, motorsports, and high-speed photography where timing is everything. Pairing that sensor with Canon's DIGIC processor alongside a rumored DIGIC accelerator suggests serious gains in image processing efficiency, subject recognition accuracy, AI-driven autofocus tracking, and overall responsiveness, allowing the R7 Mark II to operate more like a flagship body than a mid-tier APS-C camera. One of the most talked about rumors is Canon potentially eliminating the mechanical shutter entirely, replacing it with a fully electronic shutter capable of up to 40 frames per second continuous shooting, which would not only enable completely silent photography, but also open the door to capturing decisive moments that slower cameras simply miss, a massive advantage for wildlife shooters, sports photographers, and event creators working in quiet environments. Speed alone, however, doesn't define a great camera, and Canon seems to be doubling down on stabilization, with reports suggesting up to 8.5 stops of in-body image stabilization, allowing sharp handheld photos in challenging low-light conditions and smoother handheld video without relying heavily on gimbals or external rigs, making the camera especially attractive for travel vloggers, documentary filmmakers, and run-and-gun creators. Autofocus performance is expected to see another major leap, with improved subject detection for humans, animals, birds, and vehicles, enhanced eye-tracking accuracy, and better performance in difficult lighting scenarios, reinforcing Canon's reputation for industry-leading autofocus systems. From a handling and usability standpoint, leaks indicate a slightly larger body design inspired by the EOS R5 Mark II, featuring a deeper grip for better balance with telephoto lenses, an AF joystick for faster control, improved button placement, and enhanced weather sealing, all of which contribute to reduced fatigue during long shooting sessions and better ergonomics for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The electronic viewfinder is rumored to be a 2.36 million OLED EVF with improved refresh rates, delivering a smoother, more natural viewing experience when tracking fast action or composing in bright outdoor environments, while the rear display is expected to remain fully articulating, catering to vloggers and solo creators. Video performance is where the Canon EOS R7 Mark II could truly shock the market, with reports pointing toward internal 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second using Canon Log 3, with speculation around potential 6K 120 FPS oversampled modes and even limited 8K recording at up to 60 FPS, positioning this APS-C camera dangerously close to cinema-level capabilities. Combined with in-body stabilization, improved heat management, and rumored active cooling solutions, the R7 Mark II could deliver reliable high-resolution video for extended recording sessions, making it a serious contender for YouTubers, filmmakers, and hybrid shooters who demand consistent performance without overheating interruptions. Storage options are also expected to be robust, with dual card slots rumored to include CF Express Type B alongside UHS-2 SD support, ensuring fast write speeds, redundancy, and flexibility for both photo bursts and high bitrate video workflows, while advanced features such as pre-continuous shooting, in-camera upscaling, and enhanced RAW processing could further elevate its real-world usability. When compared to the original EOS R7, the Mark II doesn't appear to be a minor refresh but rather a comprehensive evolution, offering faster shooting, higher resolution, stronger stabilization, advanced video codecs, and a fully electronic workflow that aligns with modern content creation demands. As for the release timeline, things remain uncertain, with trusted industry sources suggesting that an immediate launch is unlikely, making August or September a stretch, while historical launch patterns hint that Canon prefers fourth-quarter announcements for major mirrorless bodies, pointing toward a possible December 2025 reveal, even though some speculation mentions a potential appearance around major trade events like IBIS, which traditionally focus more on video-centric gear. Pricing expectations place the Canon EOS R7 Mark II body somewhere between $1,799 and $1,999, with kit options potentially ranging from $2,100 to $2,500 depending on lens bundles, influenced by the cost of advanced internal components, sensor technology, processing hardware, and ongoing global tariffs that may increase prices by 10 to 15%. Despite that, the value proposition remains strong, as the R7 Mark II could deliver near-flagship performance in a compact APS-C form factor, making it an incredibly compelling option for creators who need speed, reliability, versatility, and top-tier image quality without stepping into full-frame pricing territory. If Canon delivers even most of what is rumored, the EOS R7 Mark II could easily become one of the most exciting mirrorless camera releases of 2025, setting a new benchmark for APS-C cameras and offering photographers and videographers a tool that feels purpose-built for modern content creation. With its rumored high-resolution stacked sensor, lightning-fast electronic shutter, advanced stabilization, powerful autofocus, and cinema-grade video features, this camera has the potential to be worth the wait for anyone serious about photography or video, and it may very well redefine what creators expect from a crop sensor mirrorless system moving forward.